Hello, I'm reviewing the yaufey dehumidifier. So overall, the packaging is really simple. It comes with a hose, and the operation of the machine is also very simple. It has 4 buttons, one for the speed control. You can also set the timer, and the setting buttons only is used for controlling the humidity level you want. And lastly, the power button. So to operate, you just simply press the power button, and not sure if you can see this, but the monitor displays the current humidity, also the temperature. So when you press the setting button, you can actually set the lowest humidity level you want. And to clean the unit, you simply take this water container out and then drain it. Or there's also a place for hose attachment, so you can simply attach the hose to the hole here. Okay. There's also 4 wheels at the bottom of the unit for easy movement, and that's it. It works really well. In my basement, it usually takes around 4 hours for the tank to be full.
Our 30-pint dehumidifier design with modern and fashion look, small size and has movable wheels. If you restart production, there will be a delay for 3 minutes. Current humidity range 30 to 80%. You can just set a setting humidity value. When it is set to 30 RH%, the continuous dehumidification operation is carried out. It effectively removes up to 4 gallons or 30 pints of moisture per day from the surrounding humid air. Through its powerful built-in pump processor and work up to 1,500 square feet. With a 500Z water tank, there is a small display on the dehumidifier shows 6 indicators. Program the 24-hour timer to suit your lifestyle and save costs. When running at a lower ambient temperature, the system will automatically determine whether there is frost, will automatically defrost. When the water tank is full, the indicator will flash and the dehumidifier then automatically switch off. The tank is emptied and put back in place. Dehumidifier can be turned back on. Moreover, it can also be continuously drained via the included 2-meter-long drain hose. The air filter is easy to remove and washable. Simply clean it regularly. It helps reduce mold, protect furniture, and brings healthier air to your home.